Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down the comments below how your day is going. Mine is doing terrific. So, you're up for my title. We are doing the July 2019 Slay Glam bag or box. Slay Glam box. So this just came in the mail today, so I haven't even opened it or anything. Also, if you watch this whole video, there will be a giveaway in this video. So make sure you watch towards the end. All right, so when you open it up, it comes like this, like it normally does. Slay Glam box, which I think the packaging is really cute. I wish the cardboard was a little bit more thicker, but I think it's definitely unique, and I do enjoy the packaging. All right, so let's open her up. Let me cut the little tape and see what is in here. This is $24 a month. All right, there we go. So this is nice and full. Let me take everything out. Okay, so nothing else is in here. All right, so you do get a card that tells you what everything is, which I do like that. So the first thing that I see is from Kaylin. This is a beauty blender. Now, how much is this? This is pretty expensive. Yeah, this is $15. It's the Kaylin Cosmetics, oh wow, brush blender. And Kaylin Cosmetics is really a high-end cosmetic. It's a brand, and they really have some nice things. So that's what it looks like. And I like these shades, and this feels like, I don't know, feels like velvet. I'm not sure what it is, maybe microfiber. And I like this, how it's like that, because what I do is I don't contour because I'm lazy. But when I do my, what do you call that, bronzer, then I'll go in with powder and kind of go like this, and go like that. And then it will kind of, and then I'll take a big brush and take the powder away right away. And it kind of looks like I contoured, but I didn't. I didn't do it today, as you can tell. It's not, this one comes down a little further. But I do enjoy these shape beauty blenders. So I'm definitely excited to get this. You can't have enough of the beauty blender. All right, so $15. Then we have from Kaylin again. These are the lipsticks, and thank you, God. Thank you, Slay Glam, for no liquid lipstick, because they're so dry. I'm really getting into the bullet lipsticks. Okay, so this would be $19, and the packaging is so pretty. Ooh, that's a pretty red. That's like a blue red, which I really like. I don't really like the orangey reds. For me, my preference, I don't care for, but that is so pretty. Oh my God. That's gorgeous. Nice and creamy. All right, so I'm definitely excited to play around with that. Then we have this. It looks like there's a palette in here. And she tends to always have palettes in her box. So $24 I know is a little expensive to some of the subscriptions, but you always get full-size items every month. So I like that. And it seems every month is getting better and better. And that's the truth, you know? All right, so here we go. We have a lot of stuff in here. The next thing is from Manicadar. And I get these a lot in like Ipsy and different things. So, ooh, I'm going to put this in a giveaway only because I have a lot of these and I do like them. It says, oh no, this is an eyebrow kit. Wait, am I looking at the right thing? No. Is this an eyebrow kit? No, it can't be an eyebrow kit. What is this? Manicadar. It doesn't say on here. Let me just show you. What does this say? This is step 3. It's usually 3-in-1 contour shadow blush. And so this is $21. All right, it says contour, shadow, and blush. It confused me because I would not use these for a blush. So, all right, so you have your contour shade. You can have your highlights or a shadow. These are really nice. And Manicadar are expensive, but I would not pay $21 for this. I just wouldn't. but it's really, really nice. And if you see step 3, sometimes I thought we would get things from Mana Kadar and it would be step 1 or step 2. And I'm like, how can you get step 2 when you don't have step 1? But what I noticed with this brand, step 3 would be in like what you would go in last. Like step 1 might be an eyeshadow primer. I don't know. I'm just making something up. Step 2 might be a blush. Step 3 would be a bronzer. So it's not really like in steps. I don't know why they do it, but that's why they do it. So if you see step 3, don't think you need 1 and 2 to use a product. You know what I mean? All right, so that's $21. So this must be the Mana Kadar, and look, I scratched it with my cutter. So this is the Mana Kadar eyebrow kit. So this is $39. That's what I maybe thought this was, and for your eyebrows. That's what I got confused. So that's awesome. I've never got this in a subscription, so I am definitely excited. $39 though, Jesus. All right, why can't I open this? Why? All right. Okay, there we go. All right, so it comes with stencils right there, and there are for your eyebrows. These are more like highlighters, you know, to go under your eyebrow. So I'm definitely going to try to use that. Let me swatch a couple. You can also use these as eyeshadows too. So I just swatched a few. So even if you don't have really dark hair, you know, you can really use this. This can go for really anybody. So that's cool. So here are the shades. Let me rub that in a little bit more. Just some of them. I like the fact that it comes in all different colors, so that's good. So we have that, and last but not least, we have this from Doe Color 15 color eyeshadow palette, and that's what I mean. You always get palettes in this subscription. So there we go. It fits July, so if you're from America, you celebrate 4th of July. Oh, that's pretty. So look at the packaging. Statue of Liberty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh my God. So this is $14.99. I have to swatch some of these shades, and they feel so good. I've never tried Doe Color. I want to say Dose of Colors, but it's not. Let me do this red. So there we go. Look at that. I'll do right here. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Let me take some off and let's swatch a couple more. Okay. Dry my hands on my shorts. All right, let's go in with some other colors. Let me swatch this yellow. Ooh. Let's see. What the heck is on my hand? Let's move that. Let's see. Yes, yes. Look at that. That is so pretty. Look at that shimmer. Love it. Now, I haven't tried it on my eyes. What did I do with? So I am going to add this clip in because I did the whole video and stopped it and forgot to tell you guys about the giveaway. So I got an extra package, and I got this. What happened was, this is the June 2019 Slay Glam box. What happened was there was a mix-up, and she changed her software, and some people got 2 of these. So I told her I got 2 of them. She said keep it for a giveaway. So I just did the July, and when I cut this open, because I got this the first week of July, and I was like, oh my God, we already got our Slay Glam box in the first week of July. It was like the second I got this. But no, it was a something had happened. So I'm going to show you really quick what you get in here, and this will go to one of you. I'm going to have this open until June 30th, July 30th, and July 31st I will announce a winner. So the only thing you have to do is be subscribed, rate this video, either thumbs it up or thumbs it down, and make sure you leave a comment. You can enter as many times as you want. So if you want to leave 20, 30 comments, the more comments you make, the more chance you have to win. And so this is right here. We have this, and you know what? I'm not going to open this because I don't want to mess it up, but I will leave my June unboxing down below. So if you want to know what is in here, check that video out and you will see exactly what's in here. So you will be getting this. Like I said, you have until June 30th to enter. Why do I keep saying June? Because this is the June box. You have until July 30th to enter, and July 31st, which is my daughter's birthday, I will pick a winner. So like, you just have to be subscribed, rate this video, thumbs it up or thumbs it down, and leave a comment. And that's everything, guys. All right, bye. I haven't tried on my eyes, and just because swatches look good, sometimes they don't perform on the eyes too good, and vice versa. They can swatch really bad and perform really good. One thing I noticed about this, they're not like too pigmented, but that's how I like it. I'd rather it be buildable than, I don't like pigments. I like eyeshadow, if that makes sense, you know, because for me, if I go in too heavy really quick and it's hard to blend out or anything like that, then you got to wash it off and start over. It's like less is more, you know, you can keep building it up. So, and that actually goes really good with the lipstick. So you really have enough to do almost like a full face, okay? So you have the eyeshadow palette, which I really love this. You have to put eyebrows on, not in. You don't put eyebrows in, you put them on. You have this really pretty, and this is a really good brand, Kaylin, and that's just gorgeous. A couple years ago, I used to always say, I had a friend that would always wear red lipstick, and I was like, I could never wear red lipstick. But I'm telling you, within the past month or two, I've been really into red lipstick. So you have that, and you have this beauty blender. Well, it's not from Beauty Blender. It's a sponge from Kaylin. And then we have this. This is the only thing I will say, because I don't know, I would not pay $21 for this. You know what I mean? I keep getting confused thinking this is the Eyebrow kit. But like I said, this is a 3-in-1 contour, shadow, and blush. I definitely would not use this for a blush for my complexion. I would probably use it for a bronzer and maybe, you know, or maybe an eyeshadow. You know, you can go in with the shimmer and then deepen it up. But this will definitely go in a future giveaway. Like I said, I have a few of them already. Oh, wait! We have this! I can't believe I didn't see this. All right. Let's see what this is. I don't see it on here, so I don't know if this is an extra thing. So we have a spoolie. We have this to put your eyebrows on, you know. And then we have this right here as like a highlighter or, you know, an eyeliner. What is this brand from Manicador? So I don't know, maybe this goes with this. This might go with this because I don't see it on here. So it probably goes with this, like a whole set. So that's actually pretty cool. So you have everything you need for your eyebrows. All right, I'm definitely digging it. I really, really like this box. I know in the very beginning, she just started in February. And I know it was a little kind of drama a little bit when she first started, but I have to say every month she is just definitely proven herself as a company, as a brand, and it is definitely getting better and better. I will leave the link down below if you want to check it out for yourself, but let me know your true thoughts, what you think of this box. It's $24. Do you think it's too expensive? You know, for me, it's like, yeah, it's kind of up there compared to a lot of things, but I will have to say you always get palettes, always, and you always get full-size things. I don't remember any time getting any samples, and a lot of these subscriptions nowadays, they claim to be all full-size products, but it's slowly getting into like deluxe samples and stuff. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts about it. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Do you not? Would you get it? You don't even like want to think about it? Let me know everything in the comments down below, and don't forget to let me know how your day is going. So please rate this video, either like it or dislike it, but it helps me out when you do rate this video. Make sure that you subscribe if you like my content, and make sure you put that post notification bell on so you will be notified all my future videos and my future giveaways. All right, guys, that's everything. I love you guys so much. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.